my channel. It's Gina here. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm glad you stopped by, but please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I don't take that for granted. I'm super grateful to you, okay? So how you guys doing? Hope everybody is fine. Hope everything is working out well for you. Hope you're having a nice weekend. So guys, it's afternoon here and I've been thinking of what to prepare for myself and the kids. Indomie just crossed my mind. So I'll be preparing Indomie and my own method. Like, it's not really like the normal method of cooking Indomie every day for me. It comes with mood. Sometimes I just go to the kitchen, boil the Indomie like that and just fry it and all of that. But today I'm in a good mood. Like whenever I'm happy, I'm relaxed, or I'm just generally in a good mood, that's when I will decide to prepare Indomie the special way I normally prepare it. Like I said, this is a disclaimer, I don't use this method every day, so don't think every time I'm cooking Indomie I'm just preparing it like this and all of that. No. So I prepare whenever I'm in a good mood, or whenever I have a visitor, or whenever I just feel like eating Indomie the special way. Sometimes just eating it like that can be bored and it can be tiring as well. Most times it's always good to spice up your food and all of that, okay? So today I'll be making that very special Indomie, and trust me, this is my recipe. I don't know if you guys know about it, but if you don't know, you're going to enjoy it when you try it. It's a very delicious, yummy method of cooking Indomie. So I'll be carrying you guys along. Stay with me to the end. I know you will pick one thing from my recipe, okay? Before we start, I'll show you guys some of the ingredients I'll be working with, okay? So let's dive right into the video. Stay with me. So these are the ingredients I'll be working with: my eggs, the fresh tomato and onion already diced, and this is my fresh pepper. I'm using this amount of pepper because the kids will be eating this little Indomie, but if it's just me, trust me, I'm going to use more than this. So this is the red and green bell pepper, and this is the Indomie I'll be cooking. This is my favorite Indomie here though. I like the other one, the green one as well, the Mojo. I like that one too, but I think this was for me. I like this beef Indomie. So guys, let's start cooking. details. Oh, it looks so yummy. So guys, this is me enjoying my meal. So delicious. You guys should try this recipe. So heavenly. The butter taste in this meal. I forgot to call you guys, so come and eat. Oh, you guys, come and eat. Come and eat. Oh, come and join me. So guys, I'm done with my food and I really enjoyed it. You can tell from my plate, you know, there's nothing here anymore. You can really tell that I really enjoyed my meal. I hope you try it out, and please, when you do, please give me feedback. I want to hear from you. I want to know if what I'm enjoying is actually what you saw as a result. Okay, so I'll be ending this video here, guys. I'm so excited. I'm happy that you watched it to this point. I'm also happy for the love I've been receiving from you guys on this channel. Like, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Join the family. Please subscribe to my channel, put on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I post a video. Okay, all right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.